how you can extend your Instagram real time. As in Instagram, they usually only have 15-second video timer. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can post longer Instagram reels. So start by opening your Instagram application with your account signed in. Then press the plus icon on your top right corner of your profile. Again, go to reel option. There you can find the option in the third row that says length. So here shown timer 15 seconds, 30 seconds and 60 seconds are the real time for a video. So if you want to make videos longer than 15 seconds, you press accordingly here. As we are trying to make a video around 90 seconds, which basically means 1 minute and 30 seconds. So I'm pressing 90 seconds here. And after you are done, you can go ahead and make your reels and post accordingly. So thank you people, that is all for today, and make sure to subscribe our channel for amazing videos like this. And take care till then, see ya!